Hello everyone, my name is ATP and welcome back to another episode of our Testing Indicators series. Today we will analyze the Average Sentiment Oscillator, a custom trading indicator that is quite popular among traders. I will show you how to use it and also test it across more than 3,000 trades to uncover its true profitability. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. So, as usual, let's start by adding the indicator to our TradingView charts. First, click on Indicators, then type Average Sentiment Oscillator, and you can use this version provided by this trader, which is free. And, as you can see, this indicator is ranked as an editor's pick by TradingView, which is a status given only to the best trading tools. By definition, the average sentiment oscillator is a momentum indicator that uses two different algorithms to identify the market sentiment, whether it's bullish or bearish, and it can be used as a trend filter or for entry signals. It consists of two lines, the blue one, which is the bulls percentage, and the red one, the bears percentage, which cross on a 50 level. When the bulls line crosses above the bears one, it means the market's price has a high probability of rising, and the opposite is true when the bears line crosses above the bulls one. By default, its settings are 10 for the period and 0 for the calculation method. But to clear some fake signals like this one here, I prefer to increase the period to 32. Regarding the calculation method, you have the 0 option, which uses the two different algorithms I told you about, and then you also have the option 1, which uses just the first algorithm, and then the option 2, which uses just the second system. To know more about these options, you can search for the indicator and then click here. And so I will leave the option 0 here. As you can see, in this way we can clear some fake signals and make the indicator more accurate. But, of course, this is in a theoretical way. To discover if the average sentiment oscillator is really profitable or not, we will need to backtest it. To do this, as usual, we need three things. First, the technical system, second, the risk management rules, and third, the testing conditions. Regarding this last step, we will backtest the indicator on the 30-minute, 1 hour and daily timeframes using data from 2022 and 2023 across a diverse asset portfolio: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, 3 currency pairs, gold, oil, the S&P 500 index and the Apple stock. For the risk management, I will use the same method as in all the other episodes by using the ATR bands indicator, a volatility indicator that places the stop losses directly on your charts according to the market's volatility. To know more about it, you can check the most viewed episode of this series regarding the squeeze momentum oscillator. Finally, regarding the technical system, in addition to the average sentiment oscillator, I will also use a 200 period exponential moving average as a baseline to filter out losing signals from the indicator. Here you have an example of a long position where the price is above the 200 EMA, and here we have a short trade example where the price is below the baseline. And in short, these are our backtest conditions. Let's now see how the average sentiment oscillator will perform. To speed up the backtesting process, I will head back to the Indicators tab, search for ATP Premium Indicators Testing Bot and add it to my charts. If you are not familiar with this tool, it allows me to test endless combinations of strategies and indicators quickly, simply and efficiently. With a selection of 70 indicators and ongoing additions, including trigger, filter, exit, volume and baseline functions, it offers a flexible platform for traders. Joining me, over 100 traders currently use this tool with outstanding feedback. For more details, click on the indicators ranking link, which is in the first comment down below, and then click here. Once we have set all the conditions we discussed earlier, including the average sentiment oscillator with a period of 32 and the 200 period EMA for baseline, the trading bot will display every valid trade on the charts. It also provides monthly results here and the overall statistics for each asset I want to backtest in the Strategy Tester tab. And since I have the premium TradingView plan, I can download all the trades the bot executes, which I will use to create the trading journals. I see you in a minute. While you watch the backtest, let me introduce you to TraderEdge. If Excel backtesting feels tedious and difficult, TraderEdge is your ideal solution. Simple, fast and efficient, it automatically analyzes your strategy results in both backtest and forward test modes. For a limited time, they are offering over $1,400 worth of free courses and trading strategies upon sign-up. Includes a beginner-friendly course, 4 unique strategies with indicators, rules and results, and a comprehensive backtesting guide. With a 5-day free trial and a 30-day money-back guarantee, it's a risk-free opportunity. Click on the link in the description below and try TraderEdge today. After inserting all the trades into my trading journal, I got an analysis of about 3,800 trades across the 3 different timeframes. In the 30-minute one, after 2,240 trades, it achieved a win rate of 50.67% and a net profit of 152%. Here you can check other metrics and also the results of every single asset. By looking at the equity chart, we can easily verify that in this time frame, the average sentiment oscillator, despite being profitable, is inconsistent with some big drawdown periods. Next, in the 1-hour time frame, after almost 1,500 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of about 51% and a net profit close to 115%. Again, here you can find other metrics, the results from every asset and the equity chart, which is better than the previous one, but even so, it had a big drawdown here. But, of course, this is something that can be easily fixed by adding a volume or a filter indicator to the system, as I showed you in the previous episode of this series regarding the untrend price DPO filter indicator. And finally, on the daily time frame, after 62 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of 53.55% and a net loss of 14%. Overall, based on this comprehensive analysis across multiple timeframes and assets, it is clear that the average sentiment oscillator is not a bad indicator, but even so, it needs to be used in a full system to increase your chances of success. Of course, keep in mind that these results are based on the specific conditions and settings I used for this test. If you change the conditions, settings or even the assets, your results may change. So always test your strategies before putting them into practice. In this series, my objective is to simply test different indicators to discover which ones give us more probability of success. For example, going to my indicators testing bot, I can change the take profit method to a trailing stop loss system, where we can see that the net profits of this simple strategy increase a lot. In the 1-hour time frame from gold, the net profit increases from 38 to almost 50% on the same number of trades, which is a great improvement. And by adding filter or volume indicators, we can increase the strategy's win rate. In our ranking sheet, I believe the average sentiment oscillator fair place is here. Tell me in the comments if you agree with this position or not. And so, the purple cloud will continue to be our top indicator tested so far, and you can watch the corresponding video here. If you have ideas for indicators to test in future videos, don't forget to share them in the comments or in my free Discord community. Also, if you enjoyed seeing my working methods and would like to work one-on-one with me to enhance your trading skills and become a better trader, you can see all my available services on my website, AlgoTradePro.org. For trading and investments, I use XTB, which is not only the safest broker I know, but also offers me the most advantages, such as 0 commissions up to 100,000 euros of monthly volumes. All links with more information are in the description as well. And that's it. Be well, thank you, and I see you in the next episode.